How to get marketplace on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can get marketplace on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, getting marketplace on Facebook is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is just launch the Facebook application. You don't really need to get marketplace because marketplace is already there by default. So if you look at the top of the navigation menu, you'll just find the marketplace icon, which you can use to search for it. Or what you can do is you can tap the three lines option in case you don't find it there. When you come to the three lines option, you can see shortcuts tab. Under shortcuts, tap on see more. Then over here just look for marketplace. So just tap the marketplace option there, and then now it will show up. So basically the ones that you see on top are the ones that you more frequently use. So if you start using marketplace quite frequently, it will start to show up over there. So this way you can get marketplace on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.